Hi, I'm Tammy. So we're going to do a grapefruit shandy today. So grapefruit shandy is beer, grapefruit juice, a little bit of water, and some simple syrup. That's it. I've got my beer glass. I've got my grapefruit juice, I got my beer, I got my water. Store-bought simple syrup. I'm too lazy to make my own right now, so I bought it. But you can simply make your own by just taking some sugar, some water, heating it on the stove, you're good to go. All right, so we're going to add this all into the glass. I'm going to do 1.5 ounces of simple syrup. I'm going to do 3 ounces. I've got these two in my hand. That doesn't do me any good whatsoever. I'm going to do 3 ounces of water. I need 2 ounces of grapefruit juice. Woo! A little bit of spillage. And then we're going to do roughly 6 ounces of, well, I guess it's more like 12 ounces of beer. So that is going to be the grapefruit shandy. I do need to stir this, and I can't find my bar spoons. I don't know where they are, so I'm going to use this regular spoon to stir this because, which isn't very easy. My fingers are going to get in it because I can't get all the way down. I'm going to go ahead and make that work. Go ahead and float that on top. You're just going to float just a grapefruit ring on top. And then we're going to go ahead and cheers. It's delicious. All right, so the grapefruit shandy is absolutely wonderful. You're going to want to drink this on, doesn't even have to be a super hot day, but just kind of a mid to warm day, perfect. Out by the pool, great. Barbecuing, fantastic. I don't know, you can even drink it by a fire because it's wonderful. So try it. I hope you like it. Hope you subscribe, and cheers.